Good morning, everybody, and welcome at this Design and Engineering Day organized by Summa here at Brainport Industry Campus in Eindhoven. My name is Jan Klingen. I'm Vice President EMEA North for Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence. I've seen the program, and it's going to be a fantastic day. Really impressed what the team of Summa has put together. And really a pity that I cannot be here in person and have to do it in this digital way. But happy to share with you the view of Hexagon on the future of manufacturing intelligence. It's all about the digital reality feedback loop. So it is all about fusing the real world with the digital world. As Hexagon, we have a complete portfolio of that with on one side the sensors to capture the real world, and then the other side, our software solutions to do really something with that data. It's leveraging that data that is key, where we believe in for the future of manufacturing. As I said, it is really the smart digital reality is really about fusing the real and digital world together as close as possible. So on one side, we do that by capturing the real world, transfer that data because we want to get as much as data as possible. Then we can use that data to visualize, analyze all kind of solution. That is really the data leveraging part of it. With that data itself, we can come to actions. So we said we are defining actions with what to do with that data, improve processes, and then give it back to the real world again, where physical activities take place, process improvements can take place. So it's a continuous loop that is ongoing. And today I would like to elaborate a little bit further on how as Hexagon we can support with that all of you as industry. That's really the challenge that the industry is today facing, and we are trying to help to shape your industry with that. So really, as I said, the approach is really to put data to work, gather as much as possible data, because that ultimately will help you to optimize costs. In the end, we are all business driven, so there should be a bottom line, there should be results. But we can achieve those results also for increasing efficiency, but also for the future to do it in a sustainable way. With the digital twin, we can quicker develop. We make less costs in prototype. So there are all kinds of things where we can enhance and improve by really fusing this digital and the real world together. So as said, time to market is crucial nowadays for many industries. Customers, consumers, they get more and more demanding. So we want every day more. We see it with phones, with cars. There's a lot of improvements needed, but also a big theme is still sustainability in this. So that's also where we as Hexagon believe in, that this data can help us to do it in a sustainable way. But also, as a next step, it is also this way to autonomy and automation of processes to really make it less human dependent, that you can scale faster. And that means something. And also all of us in the industry, we are in transition. So that means that skills of people which are really valuable today might shift to some future skills which are needed by these developments. So really bridging that gap and supporting that is where we as Hexagon believe in. That's also why we want to transfer knowledge, because we believe that going from A to B in this journey, it's a journey that we do together. Yeah, knowledge sharing is important, and that's why we are also here today with all of you to gather to share the knowledge with each other. So summarizing it, so there are many ways in the manufacturing process, so from design, production, and ultimately checking if what has been made that is according to the design, that doing that in an efficient way. So you see really 4 sustainable outcomes from that. So we can, energy is expensive, it's volatile today. So we see ways how to reduce that, but also waste for not only for today, but also for future generations. we should be conscious about that. And one of the things in design is really the material. So use efficient materials, use them in a thought way with each other in the life cycle to extend the use. So start really with the end in mind and then go back to your design. All kind of solutions what you see on this slide we can support you with. And ultimately that's also about remanufacturability, reuse of materials. So really, the transformation of manufacturing. So as said, there are, let's say, three key elements in the manufacture in the production process. That is design, making it, but also inspecting it. They are not anymore separate silos. As Hexagon, we want to break those silos and support our customers and the industry with that. And for that, we have seen it also in the invitation. One of the presentations later today will be about Nexus. That is really our new platform that supports these feedback and feed-forward loops. So really sharing of information, ensuring ultimately enterprise quality management, which is this green circle around it. In the end, we don't want to reject products. We want to make it first time right at the lowest cost, at the fastest pace. That's where the successful companies of the future are operating. So that is about the production. But of course, we produce, the industry produce for consumption. That is the usage element. So that is where I wanted today also to reflect on together with all of us here, because that's essential in the transformation of manufacturing. That is the whole product life cycle. It's nice to manufacture something, but in the end, it is manufactured for usage. And there is an end of this usage cycle. So what we see on the screen on let's say the manufacturing side, I've just explained. But when we go to the usage side, you see that about 80% of the environmental impact is worked in already in the design. So the design stage is very important about for the product and for the performance. It starts with first of all you design for a certain use, then it's distributed for usage, but also there is an end of a cycle, and then that is the repurpose design. So it will be either remanufactured, refurbished, recycled. There can be some repair activities. So this whole usage cycle, there it is also important to gather data and to use that, how the product is used. That can be used again as input for product improvements, for new designs. And that's where we as Hexagon really close the loop, I would say, supporting the industry. And then this is a continuous, ongoing process, as you can see in the graphic. So it is a big challenge that we are all on today. Transformation, that is, we prefer to do it in an evolutionary way. So it is step by step. Yes, there should be a vision that we want to be with each other, and then go in steps, small steps, but scale fast and fast scaling towards it. That's as Hexagon and our partners like in Summa, we stand there for. We need to do it together. It's a journey that we are on, and we can share experiences that we have across industry. So it's in many different industries, so we can see best practices over there and leverage together with you how that best fits your solution. So, but it has also to do with openness to each other. So we understand that some processes are already in place. We cannot change everything straight away. So we believe also that many things that are today already in place are very good. So that's also why we believe in an agnostic system, so with open interfaces, because that ultimately helps to scale faster. That's with also lowering initial costs for you. And yeah, as said, we have worldwide a large team of people, not only worldwide, of course, but also here in the Benelux, for our Hexagon staff, but also with our partners to support you on that. So we can, we can help you with your challenges in this, and from our experience, share this with you. So this is really, also why we are here today. It's about, again, sharing knowledge. Maybe some ideas get born from the sessions today. So that's, I hope it will be very inspiring. But I would like to have this really as the mindset. It's something that we do together. It's a journey. As said, Hexagon, we are a global company. The division Manufacturing Intelligence is worldwide active on all continents. It's quite an even spread, as you can see. But what really shows also in this slide is that Hexagon is a solid company. Worldwide revenue of the division is 2 billion, 22. We are leading in many positions. So you can see also more than 500,000 software licenses active worldwide, and we are constantly investing in R&D. So 15 to 20% of the revenues goes into R&D, just to show the importance that Hexagon sees in staying in this leading position in the industry. That's it for my part for today. Of course, before really closing, I would like to say something very brief about the reason why Hexagon has chosen to locate itself in Brainport Industry Campus last year. Brainport Industry Campus is really an ecosystem for smart manufacturing in the Netherlands. We believe that fits with the vision and the mission that Hexagon has. Also in this on this site we have an experience center for the reality capturing. So also in the course of today, you are welcome to see that yourself. Our people are happy to show you this experience center on how we can capture the real world for manufacturing. Also, there's a QR code if you want to link via LinkedIn. For now, I wish you a great and inspireful day, and I would like to give the word back to our host. Thank you.